When you create your SQL Server RDS instance, a special purpose database called the RDSADMIN database is created automatically for you. It is used by Amazon RDS to perform administrative tasks related to the management of your database instance. The RDS database contains stored procedures and functions that allows Amazon RDS to perform tasks such as creating and deleting databases and database users, managing backups and restore operations, monitoring and collecting performance metrics, and performing software updates and patches. The RDSADMIN database is not intended for direct user access or modification. It is used by Amazon RDS to manage and maintain your database instance. And any modifications to the RDSADMIN database should be done by Amazon RDS authorized personnel only. So in summary, the RDS database is a crucial component of Amazon RDS that enables the platform to perform various administrative tasks related to your database instance. In the next lecture, we'll be taking a look at system databases in SQL Server.